As the digital world continues to expand, good user experience, or UX, is essential. There are over 99,000 job openings in the UX design field. The median salary for UX design is over $92,000. This is why we developed the Google UX Design Certificate to help jumpstart your career in this growing field. Now, let's explore what UX is all about. User experience design is the process of creating and improving the quality of the interaction between a user and a product. Effective UX design makes products accessible, enjoyable, and easy to use. Think of two similar food delivery apps. What makes you prefer one over the other? The layout of content? The navigation to find new restaurants? UX designers are responsible for these decisions. Good UX designers improve product interaction by understanding and empathizing with users.
My favorite part about being a UX designer is being able to work on complex problems and trying to simplify these problems into solutions that work for users.
In this certificate, you'll explore the design process from beginning to end, conducting research, defining user pain points, coming up with ideas for design solutions, creating wireframes and prototypes, and testing designs to get feedback. Along the way, you'll work with popular design tools like Adobe XD and Figma. By the end of the certificate, you will have developed a professional portfolio with 3 projects that's ready for your job applications. So, if you enjoy problem solving and understand people's needs, enroll in the Google UX Design Certificate.